Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another long-awaited handbag unboxing. I haven't done one in a while. I'm finally back. We are actually in Europe for a week, and our first stop was in Paris, hence the bag. We shopped in Paris, but right now we are in Switzerland. Specifically, we are in Ringenberg. Yes, Ringenberg. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And behind me, the beautiful backdrop behind me is actually Lake Brienz, and it's so unreal, you guys. The color of the lake, so beautiful. So if you want to see my vlog of our trip here in Switzerland, I'm gonna link it down below if ever I post that first, or if not, just subscribe and put a notification so that you will know when I will post my next video. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is from Bottega Veneta. We have this very big paper bag over here. This is actually my very first Bottega. I don't know what's gotten into me, but suddenly I'm all about Bottega. It's like I want to buy all their bags. But let's start with this one. So my very first Bottega. I'm so excited. This paper bag has been through a lot from Paris to here in Switzerland. We had many transfers, trains, cars, all those stuff, walking, taxis. It survived. So the bag is over here. It actually didn't come in a box. The sales lady told me that they do have a box, but it's really huge, so better to just keep it in the dust bag. So we have a really huge dust bag here. Oh, and the quality of the dust bag is very good actually. It's very thick and soft. And are you ready for the bag? I can already smell the leather. It's so good. I got the small Jody. I'm so happy. Isn't she so pretty, guys? I'm trying to not talk that loudly because there are balconies also for the other rooms, so I don't want to make too much noise for them. But I'm so happy, you guys. I finally have it. Let me remove this stuffer so that it looks better because it's all stuffed. So here is the bag. So obviously I got the small size Jody in black, and it comes with a silver hardware, and yeah, so it's like that. Very, very cute, very chic. That's what I like about it. Originally I was looking at the Chanel 22, but the price of that is extremely overpriced, and it's such a simple bag. Plus the strap was a chain strap, so I can already imagine it digging into my shoulder if I put a lot of stuff, because it's a big bag, so it's meant to have a lot of stuff in it. And with my Chanel flap, it already digs into my shoulder when I have some stuff on my bag, so what more with a Chanel 22. So I went in still to try it on, but it didn't really spark anything. It's a beautiful bag, but not for the price. So I went for the other one that's on my wish list, and this is what I liked more. It's a full leather bag. It's very understated. If someone who's not into bags will see this, they wouldn't think it's a designer bag, which I don't know, why just not get a non-designer bag, right? But this Bottega, this detail here, the knot detail and the interchatto weaving is very hard to replicate. Like, you cannot see anyone who will do the same like Bottega. Bottega does leather, or their craftsmanship is very good, and the quality is very well made. as you can see here. So there's nothing here that says it's a bottega bag. Probably the zipper. You can see here that the zipper has that signature triangle shape, but there's no writing or anything that says bottega. It's just plain. And then from the inside, there's just a simple stamp on the leather that says Bottega Veneta, made in Italy. So it's full leather inside. And let's see. So this one, it's a leather case. And when you open it, this one is a gold-plated plaque. Okay. It has a QR code here. And then just says Bottega Veneta. So all the details, my details, plus the bag serial number and everything are in this one. So this bag comes, I believe, with the lifetime warranty. So whatever happens to the bag that is deemed as like production error or something like that, they will fix it or they will replace the bag. So wow, like no one does it like Bottega. So that's another plus. That's why I went for this. It just goes to show that they really trust the craftsmanship of their bag, that there wouldn't be something wrong, or if there's something wrong, they will absolutely change or replace it. So this bag I actually bought at the Bottega store in Galeries Lafayette in Boulevard Haussmann. It was just by chance because I actually first went to the Bottega in Le Bon Marche, and they had two stocks available. One is on display and one is on stock. However, the first one on display, I saw a little bit of imperfections on the bag, like the leather over here, like some parts of it were coming off from the inside. Not the leather itself, but the soft part and the back of it. And then the second one, which is so odd, so for anyone who's interested to buy the jewelry, just look at a couple of their stocks and compare which one you like most. Because with the second bag, the one that was in their stock, which is new, that one is in perfect condition. Like everything was perfect. Only the knot I felt looked different. Like the first one on display, it looked much bigger. The knot was bigger, plus it was shaped nicer. But that one, the other one on stock, it was like just flat. So I didn't really want to go for either of them because I want the bag to be perfect. So I tried my luck and I went to the Galeries Lafayette the next day. Actually, I was going to go to the Avenue Montaigne because checking on their website, it says that it's only either in Le Bon Marche or in Avenue Montaigne. But it just so happened that I was in Galeries Lafayette, so I went to the Bottega store and they happened to have the last piece there. So it was all meant to be. I went to look for their last piece and she showed me this, which was new and in stock. It wasn't displayed at all, and everything just fell into place. Like, it's for me. It's the last piece. It's perfect condition, and yeah, and I love it. And it all worked out because I also did my tax-free in Galeries Lafayette. Oh, the church bells are ringing. It's currently, oh, it's 7 o'clock, 7:30 now. So yeah, I need to finish up because we're gonna go to Interlaken to have dinner. So anyway, this is the handbag. You're gonna be seeing this a lot in my vlogs. So if you wanna see how I style the bag, go ahead and watch my vlogs from here on out. So yeah, this is my new baby, my new bag baby. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on me. I'm 5'6½", and yeah, let's go ahead and show you the bag.
어릴 때 원했던 어른이 된 나. Thought I found.
I'm gonna show you what fits in my small Jody. We're gonna do some exploring in the city here in Interlaken, and we'll also go to Grindelwald. So I'm gonna bring all the stuff that I'll be needing. So everything you see here, I'll put inside my bag. Let's start with the big one. So this is my Sony a5100 camera with a 16mm Sigma lens. So this is a heavy camera and it's quite big. So that goes in there. I'll also put this bottle of water, which is 500 ml. Fits in perfectly there. I have my Celine sunglasses with a case. My Goyard zip wallet, a tripod for my phone, my GoPro with a tripod, our car key. This is our rental car. Maybe I should put that in the pocket. A lip balm. This is a lip and cheek tint by Charlotte Tilbury. And my hair clamp. And this is my iPhone charger. This is a 2-meter cable. It's quite long. And also my phone, but I'm filming with it right now. Let's close it. Okay. So, oh, it's quite heavy now with all those stuff, but it fits. And actually there's a few room to spare, like AirPods, a mirror. So there's still quite a few space there. So this is what it looks like full, because yesterday I showed it to you, but it was pretty much empty. And now it's brighter, so you can see it more better. So this, look at our morning view, by the way. It's currently 9:30. This is our view. Going back to the bag. So this is how it looks like all packed. Well, that's it for my handbag unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye!
어릴 때 원했던 어른이 된